Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Desika Ferawati. I am from University Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa Indonesia. I will present to you about improvement of learning, result of rights and application through group games in the 4th grade of Muhammadiyah Bausasran Elementary School. And the first is challenge. There is 3 points. And the first, lack of understanding the material rights and obligation of civic. Lack of interest in learning rights and obligation of civic. Student needs a fun learning model. Objective: improve understanding of rights and obligation through group game. Type of exercise: using a classroom action research. Location in elementary school Muhammadiyah Bausasran. Participant 94 grade student. Duration August to September 20 and 24. Research was carried out in 3 cycles, with the procedure of each cycle taking the stage: first planning, acting, observing, and the last reflecting. Based on research that has been carried out of 3 cycles, there is an improvement in interest and understanding related to the material of rights and obligation. In the pre-cycle stage of research, the researchers want to know the ability of student understanding related to the concept of rights and obligation. Pre-cycle is learning that is without going to group games, but is done individually. In cycle 1, the researcher has provided action to students in the form of grouping in accordance with ability levels and through group games. Among 90 students, they were divided into 4 groups. The stage in cycle 1 include planning lessons, preparing learning tools, and for assessment that will be given to student worksheet in group games. But in cycle 1, it is still not optimal. Cycle 2 is not much different from cycle 1. The researchers still applies group game. The difference is that the group is determined heterogeneous, which is the group is not determined by the ability level of student but randomized. The goal is to increase interest learning outcome and so that students can become peer tutors for their friends who have not been able to understand the concept of rights and obligation. Material optimally. The researchers developed a learning plan, learning materials, and evaluation question for cycle 2 based on the result of the cycle 1 reflection. In cycle 2, students have successfully met the minimum competence criteria. Conclusion: the implementation of the group game learning model can improve learning outcomes in grade 4 students of Muhammadiyah Bausasran Elementary School, Yogyakarta. The implementation of this learning model is also proven to be able to increase student activity in learning, which is indicated by the high activity of students related to critical thinking, dare to ask questions and argument and profit solution. That's from me. Thank you for attention.